Okay, here we have your Cervelo forks. Obviously it has disc brakes. This particular model has the cable being routed in the actual forks itself, so we just need to design it or with a cutout in there, or alternatively if it was a generic kit which would generally fit quite well, you would just need to trim that up first before you go about installing it so that it would fit nicely. Just make sure we've got it fitting nice and snug. Okay, I'm happy with that there. Spray it with the solution again just to lube it up. And we'll start off from the center as always, pulling the squeegee, nice overlapping strokes, ensuring we're getting all of the water and moisture out of it. On the top edge we want to be a little bit more careful because it is in two pieces there, and as you can see this has release cuts in there so that it actually wraps neatly around the inside of the actual forks. Okay, time for our rag again. Again, rag around the finger, gently working it in. Nice smooth top to bottom strokes. You'll actually see how it will start to conform with the shape of the forks. This top section here, we may need a little bit of helping hand. Get it in the proper position. Using the squeegee initially to get it into the right position, and then we will just use the rag again, working it around the corner. On the inside of the forks, make sure it's nicely tucked in. Where you've got a couple of edges that are a little bit tough, don't want to sit down, I would recommend ripping out the hairdryer. The hairdryer generally will take care of that. Hairdryer and the rag. Oops, let's lift it. That's what you have to be careful of when you until you've used the hairdryer, you need to be careful on little fragile pieces like that. They can tend to lift up very easily. Alright, same thing again, work our way around the edge. Starting at the top, gently work our way down to the bottom where it seems to be a little bit difficult to sit down. Work it a little bit more, a little bit of patience, that's all it takes. Don't rush it. Take your time to do it and the end result will be beautiful. Okay, it's time for the hairdryer. there we have it, your forks are all nice and finished, lining up on that edge there, cut around there, around the front end, it's a relief cut around the actual cable inlet, wrapping around nicely for a nice snug fit. Hope you enjoyed this.